और चलिए अब आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं जहां रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज के चेयरमैन मुकेश अंबानी इस वक्त खिताब कर रहे हैं।
7-star Oberoi Hotel in the heart of Assam. These 5 mega initiatives will also create tens of thousands of direct and indirect employment opportunities for the youth in Assam. Friends, today I am also pleased to announce a philanthropic initiative by Reliance Foundation. Assam has a rich heritage of arts and crafts. It is one of the largest producers of bamboo, which is called green gold, and Sualkuchi, the center of Assam's famous silk industry, has the potential to grow manifold in generation of incomes and jobs. Reliance Foundation, together with our Swadesh stores, would like to collaborate with the state government to promote this heritage. Most esteemed friends, I conclude by affirming that the possibilities for Assam are aseem. They are limitless. I assure our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and the Chief Minister Sharma ji that Reliance will continue to remain a proud and dependable partner in this mission. And I again end with my sincere prayers to Ma Kamakhya to bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Shri Natarajan Chandrasekaran, Chairman Tata Sons, to kindly address this August gathering.
नमस्कार। हमू आकम के
तो असम के गुवाहाटी से आपको ये सीधा प्रसारण दिखा रहे थे जहां एडवांटेज असम 2.0 समिट का आगाज हुआ है और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी खास तौर पर इसमें शिरकत करेंगे। बहरहाल